Let me show you a very quick way of how you can create your lesson plans that conforms to the new curriculum. We're going to be using this app called S Learning to do everything. So go to Play Store or App Store and download S Learning. Then you open the app. So when you open the app, this will be the interface of the app. Then you have to go to the bottom right corner here to Study Tools. The Study Tools, you click on the lesson planner. So this is how it looks like. Now you're gonna create lesson plan. Then if you look at the first screen here, we have identity and subject. So you can provide your name and name of school. This since they are optional. So then you can set the date. So the date, you can set whatever date you want to set. For me, I'll pick today's date. Then the required fields, this one they are required. That's if you click on the next button, the subject and then the level is required. So the subject is the kind of subject you are teaching. So then the level of form, this is the level of your students, either SHS1, SHS2, whatever. You just have to put it there. Then you click on next. Then you set up the class metrics. So the duration for your lesson plan. If it is 60 minutes, you pick the 60 minutes. If it is how many period, you pick the period. Then the total number of students in your class. Let me say 40 students. What is the week? Let me say we are in the 4th week, something like that. Click on next again. Then you also have to provide your strand and substrand. The rest here, which is the content standard, learning indicators and outcome, they are optional. So you can choose to provide or you can just leave it. So the strand, the content standard learning indicator, you can put it there to make your lesson plan to be more specific to whatever you need. But for now, I will leave it and click on next. Then here almost everything is done. They say add more context. Let's say you want the app to do something more specific about your lesson plan. You can just describe it here or you can just leave it here. Maybe I'll say something like lesson plan for me, something like that. And we have this button here, add more context. Let's say you want to upload any document that the app will use as a reference to create your document for you. Let's say you have a slide or any document you want the app to use, so you can just upload the document here. You can upload the document, then you tell the app what you should use, how you should use the document to prepare your plan for you, anything you want to do. Or if you have a lesson plan, you want it to refine or redefine that lesson plan for you, make some changes, you can upload that lesson plan and just type it there, do these changes in this lesson plan I provide for you, and it will handle everything for you. But for now, I will remove this document that I provide here and I'll click on generate at the bottom here to generate my plan. So now it is ready, so you can either download the simplified version or you download the full lesson plan. So I'll download the full lesson plan, so it will enable me to open it. I will open it with Drive. If you have Drive, I always recommend you open with Drive. And this is it. This is a complete lesson plan. So the process is very simple. It's very simple to get your lesson plan. So after here, what you can do is that you click here to download the lesson plan. That's all. This is the whole process. So if you come back to the app, this is it. If you come back, this is how it looks like. Let's say you come back to the lesson plan and you click on it, you see your plan here. You can click on it to open it. Now let's say there is some things you want to change. You want to make some changes to your plan. What you can do is that you can click on, let's say I want to remove this keyword. Let's isolate. I will just remove the keyword. I will just delete it. Like this. Every changes you want to make to the plan, just do it here. When you are done, then you save the changes. You just have to save it like this. Then you just save. Then you go back and download it again. You see the new plan. Download it again. That's all. And after all, if you want to some information about your plan, you can get to the AI assistant. Okay, ask any questions. Then the AI assistant will help you about your lesson plan. So this is pretty much everything you need to get your plan ready.